Welcome to Mega Factory. Ever wonder how supermarket corn milk is actually made? Today, we're exploring a world-class farm and the high-tech factory inside. If you're curious, stay with me. There's so much more to see at the end. Wow, just look at this! Hundreds of hectares of golden corn stretching as far as the eye can see. Each ear is perfectly ripe, just waiting for the big moment. And there it goes! Can you hear that engine? It's the sound of the harvest kicking into gear. These harvesters are like giant, hungry beasts, neatly stripping the ears from the stalks in seconds. It's incredible how thousands of them just flow up the elevator like a golden river. We're watching a massive team effort here. Machines working in perfect sync, filling trailer after trailer. It's a bit dusty, sure, but there's something so satisfying about seeing that mountain of fresh corn ready to head out under the blue sky. We've made it to the factory. And check this out. They actually lift the entire truck just to unload the corn. It's like a giant golden waterfall. But wait, they don't just take any ear. See that probe? It's grabbing samples so the technicians can make sure only the best quality makes the cut. Once they get the thumbs up, the real journey begins. The heavy belts start humming, and the corn gets a quick haircut as giant fans blow away all those loose leaves and silk. It's a busy, noisy, and fascinating process. But look, everything is now heading into the ultra-clean zone. This is where the real magic starts to happen. Now, this is where the corn loses its coat. These rollers are so fast, they strip the husks in the blink of an eye. Suddenly, it's a flood of bright yellow. And they're getting a serious spa day too. High pressure jets and scrubbing brushes making sure every single ear is spotless. I love how they use those optical sensors. If an ear looks a bit off, it's out of there instantly. Only the most beautiful, shiny corn gets to stay. Just look at those fresh kernels under the lights. They're sparkling with water droplets. They look so fresh, you'd almost want to grab one right off the belt, wouldn't you? Time for the transformation. High-speed blades are precision cutting the kernels away, leaving the white cob behind. We're talking tons of fresh corn falling into these massive steel hoppers. Now we add some pure water and, wow, look at that swirl. The grinders turn everything into a thick, smooth paste. But to get that silky milk we love, it has to go through these intense filters and centrifuges to remove every bit of fiber. What's left is this beautiful, clear corn extract flowing through the pipe. They even pause to take tiny samples for the lab. They really don't take any shortcuts when it comes to the perfect taste. Next stop,
Here in the
the
central
high-tech
sterilization
heart of the
area,
factory.
The 3116L stainless
Our
steel
corn
pipes
milk
transport the
is
corn
heading
milk
into
to
the UHT system. It hits 140 degrees Celsius in a flash to make sure it's perfectly safe. You can actually feel the pressure in the air here. Then, it's squeezed through the homogenizer to make it incredibly smooth and creamy. It's so quiet and sterile in here, almost like a laboratory. Everything is monitored on these touch screens to keep it all stable. It's amazing to think that this complex maze of pipes is what ensures every sip of milk we take is just as good as the last one. Check out this sea of bottles. They're all lined up, getting a quick blast of ionized air before the big fill. And watch this, 10 bottles a second. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance. The lids are snapped on tight with steam, and then they're off to the drying tunnel. I could watch this labeling machine all day. It just wraps them up so fast. The sensors are constantly flashing, double-checking that every label is straight and every batch code is printed perfectly. They're finally starting to look like the bottles we see on the store shelves. We're almost at the finish line. These mechanical arms are so precise, channeling the bottles into perfect rows. Look at that. The boxes are folded by vacuum suction and filled in a split second. It's all so fast, and before you know it, the heavy-duty tape seals them up tight. It's engineering at its best. And there they go! The crates are stacked and whisked away by forklifts into this massive smart warehouse. Our journey ends here as the refrigerated trucks head out to the highway. From a sunny field to a delicious bottle of corn milk, it's been quite a ride, hasn't it? Next time you grab one, you'll know exactly how much care went into it.